I'm Yuka. Thank you very much for amazing 1 week. We are nervous to speak English and attend American school and first experience in America. But everyone at BSM has connected with us kindly every day. So we could fit in with American school life. We want to experience gratitude for everyone. We sang song with everyone in class. We had confusion, but we sang happily. We could interact ideas in discussion in class. It was hard for us to say what we wanted to say, but everyone had us kindly. We ate pizza, hamburger, cookies, and snacks at lunchtime. So we could eat yummy American food and have fun with everyone. We enjoyed talking about Japanese culture and American culture to each other. We could learn a lot of different culture between Japan and America. We learned a lot of American culture. American school life was valuable experience for us. We don't have in Japan. Because BSM and our school are sister schools, we like this experience. So we want to brag to our family and friends for this experience back in Japan. We want to keep on this interaction. So we want to learn more from this from now on. And we don't only go to BSM, but we want everyone to come to our school as well. And we want to teach you about Japanese culture and experience in Japanese school to everyone at BSM. So thank you very much.
Can you see the picture? Isn't that beautiful?